Good morning. Now I'm going to teach you about the location of India, its size. See, this is the average size of the earth. The line that passes through the center of the earth. It is 0 degree. It is also known as equator. This is center of the earth. From taking this point and this line as a baseline, we can draw many angles from it. For this one, we have drawn almost 90 angles and also 90 angles in the southern hemisphere. These lines are parallel to each other. If we draw it, it is called latitudes. Distance between two latitudes remain the same at all the places. Total number of latitude would be 90 here plus 1 plus 90, it is 181. Average distance that you have been told, it is approximately 111 kilometers. India's locations, if we see the India's locations, this is the mainland, and when we calculate it, it comes 8 degree 4 minute north. This 8 degree 4 minute north implies that India is in the northern hemisphere. The uppermost point, the northernmost point, if we take it, it comes as a 37 degree 6 minute north. Difference, if we calculate the difference, it is 37 degrees 6 minute minus 88 degree 4 minute, it comes 29 degree 2 minute. Almost it is 29 degree. Another line that starts from the North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. It makes a curvature due to the shape of the earth. These lines meet at the poles, at the North Pole and also at the South Pole. Distance between these lines are supposed to be maximum at equator. As we move from equator to pole, either in the northern or the southern hemisphere, the distance between two longitude decreases. At equator, it is supposed to be 111 kilometers. But we take India, where India's east-west extension is the maximum. Here it is been taken as 101 kilometers. This is the westernmost part of the India. This is the easternmost part of India. If we see the longitude, it is 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degrees 25 minute east. My dear student, you should have opened your copy and write down all these details that I am writing over here. 68 degrees 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute is obviously that 0 degree would be the west of India. It is 0 degree. It is also known as the prime meridian. It passes through the London Again we see the difference between two consecutive longitude. Just you calculate it. 97 degree 25 minute east, and if we subtract it 68 degree 7 minute east, obviously it will come 29 degree and 18 minute. It is very much obvious that the difference between two longitude and two latitude remain almost the same. It is 29 degree. But if we convert it into kilometers, it differs. Why so? Because you have been told the average distance between two longitudes is 101 kilometers, while the average distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometers. Now one thing comes when we say it is a noon. Definition of noon should be given as when the sun ray shines just over our head. India has 29 longitudes. It means there would be 29 times noon. This simply shows वहाँ 12 भी बजेंगे तो 29 बार बजेंगे. There would be a confusion what time we have to calculate it. So we have taken the average. To take the average, get the 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25 minutes. It is 32 minutes and 165. If we take the average, mathematically you students are very strong, I know it. Just convert this 1 degree into minute, then it would be 60 plus 32, simply 92 minutes. This 92 is divided, then it comes it means it is 82 degree 46 minute east longitude is almost the center of the east-west extension of the country. To make it IST, Indian Standard Time, it means which time that we have to consider it. Out of 29 times, which time? The average we have taken 82 degree 46 minute. It is almost the center of the east-west extension of the country. But there is a reason that the time zone or time in the standard time must be divisible by 7 degree 30 minute, so that the time gap should be of 30 minutes, because sun ray takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree longitude. So 7 into 4 plus half into 4, it is 30 minutes. India's extension is 97 degree 25 minute and 68 degree 7 minutes. Sun rises in the east and set in the west, so there would be a difference of almost 2 hours in the sunrise and in the sunset. Arunachal Pradesh receives sunlight almost 2 hours earlier than the coastal of Gujarat area. How it comes? It is obvious that sun ray takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree longitude. It is 82 degree 30 minutes. It means we are ahead of 82 degree 30 minutes. If we convert into time, 82 into 4 plus 30 by 60 into 4, it is 330 minutes. It means 5 hours and 30 minutes we are ahead of the time meridians, Greenwich time meridians. It means if the sun rises in our country at 6 a.m. in the morning, then in England there would be 5:30, 5 hours 30 minutes. We have to subtract it, then it would be 12:30 a.m. To calculate the time, if we go towards the west, we have to subtract east, because sun rises early, sun rises later. For a calculations, if we take the time zone, calculate the time zone 30 degree east. If it is 10 a.m., what would be the time at 30 degree west? Calculate the time. Simply the difference 30 degrees, it means we are 30 degree east of the prime meridian. 30 degree west means we are 30 degree west of the prime meridians. So total difference is 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 meridians. To cross one longitude, sun ray takes 4 minutes. To cross 60 into 4, it is 240 minutes. It means it would be 4 hours. If it is in the 30 degree east, it is 10 a.m. Then in 30 degree west, it is 4 hour earlier हो जाएगा, subtract कर देना पड़ेगा. It means it is 6 a.m. in the morning. Same way, if we have to go to the west direction, the same thing will come calculating. Now few things about the sea. It is your 23.5 degree north latitude. Its name is Tropic of Cancer. It is important latitudes which divides India into two equal halves. One student yesterday had asked me regarding the heat zone. Zero degree, 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south. This part is hottest zone, means torrid zone. Then another one is .66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. In both hemispheres, it is temperate zone. Heat is moderate. India's half part lies, northern part of India lies in the temperate zone and southern India lies in the torrid zone. So we have the mixture of climatic conditions. Neither we are facing completely too much hot nor too cold. But in South India it is always the hot season. Then this one, let us color it because I have only one color. Means from Arctic Circle to Northern Pole in the Northern Hemisphere and from Antarctic Circle to South Pole in the Southern Hemisphere, it is called freeze zone. Completely cold. Name suggests it is completely cold. Completely cold, moderate and hottest. Same way if you go to the south part, southern part, hottest, moderate and the coldest part. India has two parts. Northern parts 23.5 degree latitude divides India into two parts. The northern hemisphere lies in the temperate zone and southern parts lies in the torrid zone. Now one latitude is almost 20 degree north. It is so important. From the 20 degree north, India start to taper, making the shape of almost peninsula. Peninsula, we can say it is almost the triangular parts of big mass land which is surrounded by water from the three sides. Very close to us, it is Sri Lanka. Okay.